So yeah, welcome back to the boat. The renovation is nearly complete. Just a few minor issues. Tomorrow my sister's coming with her family, so I need the boat to be in good shape, in order. And as I was just testing some of the electrics, one thing I noticed immediately is that the winch still not working. And I thought I fixed it back in the spring, but there's still some electrical wiring issue, some corrosion issue that still keeps occurring. And so I'm going to have a look at that today. And I'm going to take you with me, and I'm going to take you under the boat again, and we're going to look at the winch, see where the error is, and where there's the connection issue. So yeah, the relay just clicks. So either the contacts are corroded, or it's not getting any electricity. And they don't look corroded at all. So that's actually one coming from one's coming from up there. And they look really good, actually. They actually look really good, those contacts. So I was doing some thinking, and basically I need to check the cables down at the winch, make sure there's no corrosion. In order to do that, I'm going to just disconnect the battery and then go under the boat and see if I can get to the cables and see if there's any corrosion. Let's go. Okay, battery's disconnected. Let's get under the boat and check the connections. Okay, let's get under here. Okay, we're under. Let's get to the winch. The winch is all the way up in the front. Plenty of spiders down here. Oh my god. Not very pleasant. Not very pleasant at all. Oh, here's the winch. Let's see how we can get in there. Okay, I'm close to the winch. I'm trying to get inside the winch compartment in a way that I can actually see the contact, which is absolutely impossible. So to come in that way is an absolute pain in the ass to get to this part. Also, obviously I need to switch the camera. So now I can almost see I can see the screw that I need to loosen. It's basically that one. So I need to get it with my screwdriver. Absolutely impossible from where I am. Alright, I got it. Now I just need to keep turning it with one hand. Oh my god. Basically, I need to see what's up beneath, because underneath this cap is my connecting cables. I need to basically check them out, see what's up with them. I think I got the screw now. I think I got it. I think I got it finally. Oh my god, what a pain in the ass. Alright, so here's my cable. First thing I can see is absolutely loose. So that's the problem. Basically the bolts become completely loose, and that's why there's no real connections. I thought it was all corroded down here, but it isn't actually. It's just loose as hell. Obviously through the vibration of the engine, the motor, and the shaking of the boat and the waves has loosened up the bolts. So but it's good news that it isn't anything severe. So get these tightened up now. Even though I had a little spring in place also to make sure that this kind of thing doesn't happen actually. 9. No way. Don't tell me it's an 8. No, it's a 10. Thank God it's a 10. All right, that one's done. Now one more, which is on the other side, unfortunately, and I can't see it. So it's gonna be tricky. Actually, that one is still tight. That one is still tight. It was only the plus that was loose. So next thing I'll do is I'll put some grease on that. Make sure there can't be any corrosion there in the future. And I'll put the lid back on. That should be it. I'll test it afterwards. So I'm really glad that the actual fault was just a loose wire connecting to the winch. I thought it was like all sorts of corrosion, but it was just a loose wire. So obviously over time the bolts have loosened. You know, the boat's constantly shaking and the waves and the wind, and one of them was actually just about to fall off. So yeah, I'm glad I've spotted that. Obviously it was a really awkward spot to get to. I had to use my dinghy and get under there and bend my arms over it to get into the winch box. It was a nightmare, but yeah, really glad that it isn't something serious. So let's test it. Let's see if it works. That looks good. That looks good. Whoa. Whoa, nearly broke a cable there. So that's us out and about in the houseboat the next day, enjoying the beautiful weather. My family was there, also my sister. And yeah, so if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.